My weekly strategy, what's new, and why it matters. Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. Or if you're brand new, I'm excited you found your way here. Every single week I sit down and share the real strategy I'm using right now inside my digital business, what I'm focused on, what's new, what I'm refining, and how I'm planning to grow over the next 7 days. Because here's the truth. Momentum is created in the small weekly decisions. It's the things we commit to, the things we double down on, and the things we stop avoiding. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly what my plan is for this week, why these moves matter, and how this strategy fits the bigger picture or where I'm going. You're going to walk away with clarity, direction, and maybe even a few aha moments you can plug right into your week. Let's jump in. Why I share my weekly strategy. I've always believed your business gets easier when you stay in tune with what's working, not just guessing, not trying 1,000 new things at once, but making clean decisions and creating a new normal for how you show up. Sharing my strategy every week keeps me intentional, but it also gives you a behind-the-scenes look at the real thought process, the stuff people don't usually talk about. Anyone can say post more. Anyone can say be consistent. But why? You choose a certain strategy. That's where alignment lives. When your strategy matches your goals, your actions match your intentions, and your intentions match your outcomes. Momentum becomes automatic. This week's strategy overview. Alright, let's get into what I'm focused on this week. This week is all about visibility, value, and velocity. Not hustle, not overwhelm, not doing more just to do more, but doing the right things consistently. Here's the high-level plan. 1. Visibility. I'm increasing touch points. More YouTube, more short form, more daily presence. Why? Because the more visible you are, the more discoverable you become. And discoverability equals new eyeballs on your offers. Value. Value attracts buyers, not pressure, not hype. Value. So I'm dropping content that teaches, content that shows my thought process, and content that demonstrates that I actually know my stuff. Velocity. This is all about reducing friction, moving quicker on ideas, following my instincts, and not overthinking the things that don't require perfection. I want you to hear this. Velocity is not speed, it's decisiveness. And this week, everything I'm doing is rooted in deciding fast and moving clean. Am I doing anything new this week? Yes. Actually, I'm testing a simple shift in how I share my offers. I'm leaning more into storytelling, explaining why I'm making certain decisions, what inspired the shift, what results I expect, and what this step means in the big picture. Because story equals pressure. Story over pressure, story builds fast, story builds connections, story shows people you're actually in the trenches with them. This week, I'm sharing the behind the scenes of my workflow, how I set up my weekly content rhythm, and why I lined up certain offers the way I did. The goal? Show people the intentionality, not just the actions. What I'm selling this week. This week, I'm focusing on leading people to Turnkey Flow because it's the most beginner-friendly and momentum-friendly digital business system out there. I'm keeping it simple. Daily visibility, daily micro value, daily invitations. Not hypey, not salesy, not overcomplicated. Just showing people what's possible when they stop trying to figure everything out alone. Turnkey Flow is flexible, accessible, and honestly one of the smartest entry points into digital business, especially because they offer flexible payment plan options for anyone who wants to get started without the upfront pressure. I'll talk more about that at the end of the video, but yes, Turnkey Flow is my main focus this week. What's staying the same? I'm still rocking steady with my core routines, daily short-form content, one long-form YouTube video, consistent emails, showing up where my audience actually is, clear offers, clear messaging, clear focus. Momentum lives in the boring. Results live in the repetitive. Consistency compounds. And this week is just another week of proving that. Why this strategy makes sense right now. So here's the insight behind the plan. Because strategy without explanation doesn't inspire anybody. My strategy this week is rooted in targeted visibility. Not just creating more content, but content that attracts the right people. Here's why it matters. We're in the season where people are looking for speed and simplicity. They don't want 9-month learning curves. They want frameworks that work now. The digital space is louder than ever, which means intention beats volume. People buy from people who seem dialed in. When you share why you're doing something, not just that you're doing it, people can feel the confidence behind the decision. My audience responds to clarity, so I'm giving them clarity on my moves, my offers, and on what's working. What you can take from this for your week. If you're watching this thinking, I need a plan like that, you do. And here's your quick start checklist for the week. 1. Choose one visibility platform. Choose one value piece per day. Choose one simple invitation. Don't overthink, don't stall, don't wait for permission. Give yourself the green light. Your next level depends on your willingness to move. If you want support, structure, and a system you can actually sell, I highly recommend checking out Turnkey Flow, DPU. It comes with a done-for-you digital product you can sell for 100% profit, step-by-step setup, and a clear roadmap that helps beginners build fast while building confidence. And yes, they offer flexible payment plan options, which makes it so much easier to get started without the financial pressure. I'll drop the link below so you can explore it, learn about it, and decide if it's the right move for your business. As always, keep your momentum high, keep your intentions clean, and remember, every week is another chance to create your new normal. I'll see you in the next video.